We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. I'll ask from returns for you to smash that like button to let me know you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with CEI, and we're going to break down everything that's going on. This is pretty exciting what it's showing here on 42 Vision. We just need to see if it comes with strength. Now, in yesterday's video, we looked over at what 42 Vision was showing and ultimate 42 Vision, and I'm going to emphasize how important it was to be aware of it through the volatility and how powerful this is to be able to see what is to come. But before we break it down, I want to share with you guys the 2 home runs I mentioned this morning that cannot be overlooked. They were phenomenal, spectacular, and beyond expectations. And if that's something that interests you and you want to become part of and get in on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and we're going to jump right into it here with CEI. The home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and while the S&P 500 index continues to struggle in the red and portfolio sits sideways, I will continue to strive to look for opportunities every single day. And if you want to get on early with us, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together through the volatility of the markets, and you can become part of this as well. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning: KTTA, APVO, and this is how they performed in a matter of minutes and also throughout the day. So KTTA, since I mentioned it in the 4s as it was dipping in the pre-market, it started to build strength towards the bell, and after the bell it went up nearly 100%, and after that point it pulled back and jumped up again to a highest point, hitting 90% plus, between 90% to 100%. But from when I mentioned it towards the bell, it went up nearly 30% in a matter of minutes. Now, APVO gave multiple opportunities of 10 to 20%, 20 to 30% within minutes after the bell and that consolidation and sideways action. And here you have it with Ultimate 42 Vision showing that bull indicator and strength towards 42 Vision, giving a highest point of 250% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning and become part of a growing community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Let's jump into these charts. So here we are with CEI, and CEI was in a consolidation trying to show strength in the aftermarket hours yesterday, and it got rejected again. In the same spot, it got rejected in the after hours of the day before, near 154, 155, and also in the pre-market at 156 yesterday. So this right here has been a very important resistance level that if it does not get broken through, all this move here to the upside can turn into nothing and rejected right back down, creating that big pullback and big bull trap, as I call it. Okay, these turn out to be bull traps when the strength does not continue. Same thing happened up here when it went up towards almost $2, and then it just went slowly down for almost a month and a half. So super important to be aware of these things and not get too excited if you don't have the clarity you deserve in the charts. And that's what 42 Vision brings. That's why I make the videos with it, and I want you guys to be aware of how powerful it is. But let me share with you guys why this is so exciting where it's at right now. Now, the shifts are happening a little too fast, so we want this to continue to show us dark green candlesticks to the upside as it continues to move, and then shift into green as you see here when it went from dark green to green, to show that full strength of movement and volume to pick up. But volume is now below the average 10-day volume, and that's where this is becoming a concern. Volume is only 74 million. The average 10-day is 90 million. We need to see this break above that average or even go higher beyond that or get close to it, so this momentum can continue and these shifts can turn into a realized upward momentum. Right now, it's all trying to go back up on the 30-minute, but it's not guaranteed. And let me share with you guys why. I stated in yesterday's video, you are going to see how powerful ultimate 42 vision is, which is an upgrade coming soon to the 42 vision tier level. This is all something you can gain access to. Checking out the link down below to the Discord, you gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and in the 42 vision tier level, the 42 vision indicators, the 2 premium ones that are out, and the upgrade is coming soon, which is the bear and bull indicators. Now, this bear indicator came out way before, even when it went up, it went down, it went up, and I stated if we do not see another bull indicator pop up, because the last one that popped up was way down here and it shifted into a bear indicator, then this was going to turn into a bull trap or lose strength and go into weakness eventually. Well, it played out that way. It went up, it went down, and it went right back down. So through all that volatility, ultimate 42 vision is measuring something that your eyes can't see and the mind can't think through the manipulation of the markets. It's already telling you it saw weakness in the pre-market, and all these strengths here, yes, 42 vision was showing strength because they're all green even though there's red borders. They're also showing that there's a possibility of weakness if it shifts from dark green with red borders to red. That's the one piece of the puzzle that was missing. But if it shifts right back up to dark green and then green, then there is possibly some strength. But the extra confirmation was right here. That bear indicator from ultimate 42 vision, that even though it went all the way down to 132 and all the way up to 154, all that up and down creates the confusion and distorts the focus. And that's the goal with ultimate 42 vision and 42 vision itself, as the shifts happen within the charts and then the extra confirmations. And this is how powerful it is. And it literally went in that direction. Even though it was going up and down, it already was signifying that there was a weakness, a specific level was met. And if it did not shift into another bull indicator anywhere around here, this was really going into weakness and not up as people expected. Especially in the after hours, being manipulated and moving like this, that right there creates that FOMO, excitement, and the next morning it just falls. And that's what CEI investors are not understanding through the markets and getting actually very frustrated with the stock and the charts, because it's not going as it looks like it wants to go, right? It's very misleading. The only reason why this ran up was the 8K filing. A lot of people were excited, and it only went a little bit above the last high, okay? And that's what made it run all this time as well. So all of this was anticipation of what happened here, fell back down, came back up, and it's been getting rejected in the same area. This is becoming evident that that's a key level that needs to be broken through if this wants to break out, or if the shorts get trapped, because the shorts right now, like I stated in yesterday's video, their days to cover is so low that they're manipulating how they cover their positions, making it run up, and then they go ahead and uncover and reshort at a higher price and bring it right back down. Now the exciting thing is, like I stated on 42 vision, in this area, this is where it's an extreme weakness and it tends to shift back up with some momentum. Now if this candle here cannot hold up and go upwards and it kind of just sits sideways, well, that was the move. It was from down here at 124 to 134 for now. It's still under this bear indicator. We need to see a bull indicator pop up. But let's go ahead and look here at the 4 hour, how things are looking on the 4 hour. So the 4 hour, it still has this bull indicator here, but it does not mean because there hasn't been a bear indicator that this is not bearish. I mean, it completely did a shift, and the last time it shifted, it went on for nearly almost 6 candle bars. We're only into 3. So we need to see if in the next 3 we level off like it did here, or if they just continue steep like they are and going into weakness, okay? And when it sent that bear indicator, it went from 129 all the way down to 120, and then the reversal happened throughout all that excitement, hype, and news. And right now, other than that news, there isn't much more pushing it up from these levels. So we need to watch this carefully, and if this shifts into a red candlestick, it could go into further weakness fairly quickly. And we're going to talk about the support and resistance levels you want to watch. So the first support level is down here at 124, and if it breaks through it, the lowest point we saw this hit was 120. If it breaks through 120, it's going to be a big and important significant level to be watching between 120 and $1. I'll just round this down to $1. I will be watching that very carefully and seeing if the bulls try to reappear or if the bears are continuing to tear this one down fairly fast. Now to the upside, we need to see this break through 134 to continue this path, to continue into strength, and significantly, most importantly, 143 to get back up above that pre-market high. And the most important level is up here at 156. And if you want to round that up to 160 to see this breakout away from the rejections that have happened around this area in the last several days, and also the rejection from up here on October 25th. These are some key levels for this to try to get towards $2 and break out to newer highs and new resistance levels. I look forward to seeing your thoughts down below, how you feel about this. If you want to receive clarity in the charts, gain access to the daily watch list, the home runs we look for every day and we strive for, the weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.